In this video, I will guide you how you can connect Instagram to your Discord account. So first of all, start by opening up your Discord and sign in with your account. Then you're going to need to simply click on Settings on the top right corner of your profile, and then click on the connection under the devices. Then click on Add on the top right, and as you can see, we have all kind of new connections available. So what you need to do is to search for Instagram. So right now, as for me, Instagram is not available. Only Facebook is available. So if I click on it, this is going to take me to the facebook.com, and I need to sign in with my account. Now, in my opinion, Facebook and Instagram will going to connect or interconnect each other, so you might need to only connect your Facebook at the same time, just like you use Meta account for both Facebook and Instagram. So maybe in the future, Discord release the Instagram individual feature. But for now, unfortunately, we cannot log in with our Instagram account. Yet, as I said, there might be a chance that connecting your Facebook account will automatically connect it with your Instagram Hope. This help. This is how you can connect Instagram to your Discord account. That's it for this video. Make sure to like and subscribe for more.